Welcome to all YouTube viewers. I am your friend Jabathurai. In this video, we are going to see what is National Safety Council, why National Safety Day is being celebrated, and what is the theme given by the National Safety Council in this year, and the explanation of the theme of this year. Let's see the explanation. Welcome to all. We are all gathered here to celebrate the National Safety Week inaugural function. National Safety Day is being celebrated.
Commemorate of establishment of National Safety Council. National Safety Council is established on 1966 in Mumbai. So National Safety Council is a non-profit and non-governmental organization which is facilitate lot of safety promotional activities across the various industries in India to create the awareness among the workforce to reduce the incidents and injury. First National Safety Day is being celebrated on 4th March 1972. Since then we are celebrating every year National Safety Day. In recent years we are celebrating National Safety Day as a National Safety Week. So every year they are giving theme to celebrate, to give focus on particular matter. This year also they are giving a theme. The theme is it is written on this banner. So you can all read. By use of advanced technology, we can improve safety and health performance. Improving safety, health and performance by use of advanced technology. That is the theme given by National Safety Council this year. So, by improving health and safety performance, what is the benefit? Everybody knows that. If you are improving, if you are planned, in our plant we are having improved safety and health performance, we can protect the people from injury and we can protect the machines and materials from damage, and also we can save the environment. So by improving safety and health performance, we can make our plant incident and injury free. Incident injury free plant can make a happy and good earning family. Happy family can make wealthy society. Wealthy society can make prosperity in nation. So that is the benefit we are getting from improved health and safety performance. So now we are talking about technology. Technology playing a major role in safety. You are all come across a lot of advanced technology which are being used in our plant to save the people. You may all use the lift. The lift sensor is being fixed. So because of that sensor, if you are going ever entering inside the lift, the door is not getting closed. So that crush injury is being avoided. Then all the circuits we have ELCB. Any electrical shock is being tripped. So that is all advanced technology. Other than that, smoke detector and multi-fire system. Lot of fire fighting system and fire alarming system also, that's all advanced technology. So it is all being used in our plant. So now we are rededicate ourselves to use furthermore advanced technology to improve our safety and health performance, so that we can save our future for our family and we can make our family safe and healthy. So technology. So we have have two things in our mind while searching for advanced technology, and we are implementing advanced technology. Two things we got to have in mind. First one is we have to identify the advanced technology, need of advanced technology. Identify the need of advanced technology. Second one is break. First one, there was a bath soap manufacturing company in a city. So they were started as a small scale industry. Now as they were grown, lot of bath soap were sold out and their manufacturing capacity has been increased. So now the business has grown. The owner was very happy, but the thing is another problem has risen. What was that problem is lot of that number of soap manufactured per day is increased, so that they were not able to control the workman. So they have manufactured the soap and packed in the wooden boxes. They packed in wooden boxes, but lot of boxes are empty only. Some if they are giving 1,000 soaps, around 10 to 15 number of empty boxes also they were packed and sent to the customers. So a lot of complaints are coming out. So your bag is empty, we are not getting your soap. Lot of that bad name is coming against the company. So that owner was very sad and confused. What we have to do? So he increased the manpower. So while checking the people who are packing, and that manpower has been increased. Still that problem was not solved. Again he increased the supervisors to see the persons who are all packing, whether they are putting all the soaps properly. Still that problem is not controlled. Then they were very worrying about that issues. So one day one housekeeping lady was sweeping the floor in a stackyard. That all soaps are stacked in a rack and the sweeping was going on. At that time, one pedestal pan was there. You know pedestal pan, no? That was there in front of her. So it is obstructing his activity. So she was rotating that fan and shifting the fan to other place and rotating towards the stack. So lot of boxes are started to fly. Where box is not filled with soap, it is all fly. So they are very happy. They got a solution for their problem, and they purchased a lot of fans, and they used to place in front of the stacked area, and all the empty boxes are flown away, and the box with soap only going to the customer. So from this story, what we can learn? We can learn that every problem has a solution. Even though we tried lot of different directions, some direction will be available among us. There is no need for any other external party to come and explain us. So we got to always have the need for the technology in hazardous areas, hazardous activities in our plant. So if you have any ideas, you can come out. Then what is the second step? We find out the solution, find out the technology. Then we got to implement it. Then we got to break the barriers. So what will happen if the company is thinking that, oh no, lot from since starting of the company we are doing the same activity, why we got to implement the other activity? No, it will take more time to implement the system. No, it will take more time or more cost or more manpower. Like that, lot of barriers we are having. So like that barriers we should not have while taking the solutions from the for the problem from the advanced technology. So one boy was going inside the zoo along with his dad. He was wondered by seeing the elephant which is being tied with a small chain. He asked his dad, "Dad, what is this? This much big size elephant is not able to break the chain." Like that he was asking. His father explained that when it was child, that elephant was child, it was being used to tied with the same chain. That time that the elephant was trying to broke the chain, but it was failed. Once it was failed, then it is thinking that I can't break that chain. So that even though it is grown big, that elephant is big, still it is feeling that I can't break that chain. Like that we should not be there. We should think that every chain can be broken, like every barrier can be broken, we can implement the safety system.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and please subscribe the channel. Be safe as always.